how to archive a chat in Signal app. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So, in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can easily archive chats in your Signal app. So, let's dive right in. Open up your Signal app and then swipe the conversation that you want to archive to the left, and then you can see the archive option. Just tap on it, and then there you go, your chat has been archived. Now to view the archived chats, you just need to tap on archive chats option, and then you'll find it there. You can just select it if you want to unarchive it. There you go. It's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.